So this is the Simpsons. Somehow I'm in a room. I don't know where I'm at. Usually you start out in the living room. So it's really neat that I'm here because this is the kitchen. I don't have to walk to it. But the detail that they have, and they have this, it's got to be some kind of glitch. So this is the background. And I'm actually working on how to create these things as well. Um, some of the things don't line up. I don't know if it's a glitch on my Oculus. Probably a glitch on the Oculus because they put a lot of detail in this. And we'll see. Oh my gosh, you can go a long ways. You can go all over this. Let's go in here. This is where I usually set up. And this is another one where if you have a couch, you can set this up to your couch. And this could be your home. And they have two different environments. This is one that I installed from Discord. Home environments. There's one with volume. There's usually two sets of environments, two with audio and then two without. But that itchy and scratchy tune is just insanity after a while. After you hear it for a while, it's dun dun dun, the same thing over and over. I was like, is that actually coming? That's neighbors. Something going on outside. But look at that. You can go all over this place. Wow. I love whoever did this Simpsons, this project. And I wish I could open the door. But a lot of people go up. I can go up to the door. And I just put that's my curtain. And I can go walk. There's a phone. You can't touch a lot of things. But if you have a couch, you can set a couch up, chairs. You could sit down. I don't know what's over there. Wow. And we'll just go back over here real quick. There's my chimes. It's pretty bare, pretty empty, and I can imagine if you buy this, were to purchase this, you could set it up with your NFTs or whatever. There's a police car. This is so neat. I really like whoever built this set. Oh, but you can see. Oh, how did I get here? You can go even behind the plant. Look at the window. Peek out. Wow, Quickie Mart. This is amazing. Amazing. But I was going to say, oh, what's the problem with these? These move to like this specific spot. So you can see the TV is not completely flush, right? It's kind of angled at a difference. And that's attention to detail. So the developer, whoever created this, would have to go back and push it in a little bit and flush it out. And that's their fix. Look at the radios. Oh, bigger than Jesus. Oh, we can't go any further. Well, I could walk. B sharps.